Hey there, YouTubers. So I just lowered my car with Eibach Pro Kit. Everything was awesome, rides nice, looks nice. The only thing, I was having a clunking sound a few days later. So this video is to show you if you have the same problem, how you can fix it and what it can be. Here it is, 2015 Dodge Charger. We did the Eibach Pro Kit. So it rode good for a little bit, then it started making a clunking sound. That clunking sound was this link right here loosened up. And if you read the pages through Eibach, you're supposed to tighten everything up after about 500 miles. So you just put a 22 millimeter or 21 in there, a 10 millimeter socket, tighten it up, and your clunking sound should be gone. All right, hopefully that helps somebody.